So I'm just going to get some Little Caesars right now. I'm just thinking some crazy bread because I don't feel like trying to carry a pizza right here. Not right now anyway, at least. Now, worth it to me, in my opinion. I don't have a jacket to lay over my tank to get the grease off. But I might get a burger somewhere too. I don't know. Crazy bread and a burger sounds pretty good, but I don't know what my funding is. I'm using my credit card. I need to start paying that off because the Mackinac City rat, they kind of fucking killed it. $500 for rooms, on top of gas getting there back, on top of food. I paid cash for my souvenirs, which was good. There's some other times where I paid card to do things at the Bridge Fair. Today is June. Today is the 19th. I missed the Grand Rapids Harley Davidson demo day, first day. I'm gonna try to go tomorrow though. When I get to Wendy's, it's gonna be ultra fun though, because this thing does not like to start in rapid succession. Like, when I stop up here at Little Caesars, it'll be fine to start when I'm done, because it's the one order window, you know, and order, pick up, pay is all one window. But at Wendy's, you get to stop at the intercom, you get to stop at the fucking pay window, and then you stop at the fucking pickup window, and it's a bitch every goddamn time start this thing in those last two windows. Because that's a weave, that's cool. Because it doesn't like doing it, that's just not how my specific bite has been built up and maintained for. Not that I beat the hell out of it or anything like that, it's just that the previous owner only put 14,000 miles on it in like 9 years, and I'm at 31,000. I put like 17 on this fucking bitch. Miata, nice. Ready to hear some fucking greatness? Sheesh. That was a good one. You know, I love being a biker, but Jesus Christ, sometimes it's not worth all this extra. Oh, that's a hole. Woo! Bullshit that happens. Let me stop here. Thank you. Piece of shit. See what I mean by I don't like me sometimes? I think I'm gonna hold it with that. Definitely gonna hold with that, but that car is giving her hell, so I'm gonna go see if I can race. They were pretty fucking geeked for a bike in the drive-thru though. It's always weird. That lady last night that was in the back, not that chick that took my money on, she commented on it, and then she was like right in the window for her, say, oh hi. Alright, let me fucking make sure these things are closed. Last thing I want is for some bullshit to fucking fly out. Okay, still got that shit. Stay fucking closed, I swear to God. This needs to stay closed too. Stay fucking closed, I swear to Jesus. So it's the basement. Oh, it's got a kid driving it. I might be able to pick that one up. I just gotta get up on him and challenge him, right? Watch him fucking turn off over here or some shit. You gonna do anything? Probably a cop. Watch me get lit up. Damn. Guarantee though I would have walked his ass up and down the fucking street though. Oh, it didn't spill. Huh. Woo!
Hi, I'll be with you in just a moment.
All right.
I apologize for the wait. Go ahead whenever you're ready.
Can I get a bourbon bacon burger, please?
Just a sandwich?
Yeah.
Alright, anything else?
No, thank you.
Alright, that's going to be $6.24 at the second window. Thank you.
Yep, thank you.
You're welcome.
That's so hot. That's why I wear gloves normally, but I'm trying to work on my tan line. I mean, look at this shit, it's so bad. Well, dude, there's got a bike again. Proud of him. I don't know who he is, but he had a bike and they didn't have him for a long time, and now he's got a dirty tail in there. Proud of old bikers. Woo! Except they're all together, obviously. Shit, there's a fucking pack of them. I'm gonna guess they're running to the highway. Because there's not a single one of them wearing a vest though, so it's not a club. Is that what I would look like if I had more than one friend at a time? I'm about to be held up by a group of fucking sport bikes. Yep, knew it. Trying to get in this pack, but fucking pick a lane, people. You all say Harley guys are bad. I'm stuck doing the speed limit. Fuck. Yeah, pass them, do it. I want to get over too. Sweet fucking God, what's going on? They've all got Cena's on from the looks of it, so they're probably talking shit about me. I'm literally wearing a Guns N' Roses t-shirt. I am not a threat to y'all. A kicker in the ass. Fuck. Knew it.